Yo, what's up guys? In this video, we are going to talk about what it takes to make money online in 2019. Now, I think that it really comes down to one thing, okay? And I was thinking about this earlier today. The way that you should look at making money online in 2019, gotta love that YouTube SEO. Yeah, anyway, the way that you should look at it is by what I call like the planting the seeds theory, right? So in sales, there's this concept where you talk about planting seeds, right? So basically what it means is you contact X number of people and, a certain percentage of them are going to tell you to go away. A certain percentage are going to be interested in what you have to sell and they'll hear your pitch, but they won't buy. Another certain percentage will, maybe buy a little bit, and then another percentage will buy like everything right away with no, minimal convincing needed. But that, like, you have to understand is that when you expose somebody to a new product or service, you're not always going to get them to become a customer right away, right? So that's where the whole planting the seeds theory comes in, is that you plant the seed, so to speak, right? You introduce them to the product, you give them some time to kind of like wrap their mind around it, and then, you know, after a few more contacts with them, a few more emails, maybe a few more videos that you make on YouTube, they think to themselves, you know what, maybe I will try that service, or maybe I will buy that product, right? So with this in mind, right, let's say you want to make money in online in 2019. I really think that the best way to do it is by getting on YouTube. It's free. I can make, like, when I record videos for this channel, I'll sit down and I'll do 5 or 6 videos at a time. Like, I could literally post 5 or 6 videos per day to this channel, but I don't because I feel like that would be like too much almost. Like when I record videos here, I'll do, like, like I said, like 6 at a time, and I'll schedule them out for a few days. Now, why is this good? All right, let's take a look at this one. Okay, I just posted these. And you can see, obviously, right, like the views on these are not super fantastic, right? I'm at 22 subscribers on this channel. I do have another channel, which I'll show you guys right now. But basically, like, here's what I'm talking about by planting seeds. Okay, this video is up. It's going to stay up until YouTube goes down, which is basically, going to be never, right? Let's be real. I've got an affiliate link here, right? That's one seed planted. I've got another seed for them to subscribe to my channel, right? And then look at all these other seeds, right? Watch my other fitness videos. I'll show you my other channel in a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Check out my other digital marketing videos. Boom, 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 right? Affiliate products, right? Affiliate link, affiliate link, affiliate link, affiliate link, affiliate link, affiliate link for vidIQ, which is a pretty good tool for SEO, for YouTube SEO. And then boom, affiliate link, affiliate link, affiliate link, and then link to subscribe to the channel, right? So think about it like this, right? If I just do one video and I plant all these seeds, okay, that's pretty cool, that's great. But if I'm doing 5 or 6 a day, that's multiplying this by 5 or 6, right? Now this is just one channel. So let's take a look at my other channel. Now this channel that I have now is fairly new, right? This is like, I started this less than a month ago, the one that I just showed you, this like internet marketing one. But the one that I'm going to show you now, this is like my legacy account. This is like where I would upload videos, whatever, like anytime that I felt like, I was inspired to like start a YouTube channel in the past, I don't know, whatever, 10 years basically. But let's look at the analytics of this one, right? Now this is a video I just posted. It's not really that popular, 8 out of 10 according to the last 10. But this doesn't really matter, right? Like, this used to get me down, but I'll tell you why it doesn't really get me down anymore. Because, okay, think about it, right? 19 people have already seen this in the first 9 hours. Like I said, this video is going to stay up. And if we look at, let's see here, let's look at, well, here, I'll show you the analytics first, right? This video, top videos in the past 28 days, 17,000 watch minutes. Okay, that's a lot of people who have seen this, right? Here's another one, 2,000, 1,500, 1,500, 1,500. Now, these don't generally have anything to do with making money online. They're all really like fitness related. However, I put the same signature in all of these, right? Let's look at this. So this is that last video I was showing you. Oh, I actually forgot to put it here. There you go. Shows what I know. So let's just paste that in really quick. This happens sometimes when I schedule a lot of videos at once, is that I will forget to I'll forget to add this, because it's like, there's so many things that you need to do. Right now, I'm not saying that this is like the perfect format for doing it, but the idea, like I said, is that you're planting lots of seeds, right? So I just planted 25 more seeds. Now, who knows? Somebody might see this video in 6 months, in a year, in whatever, 2 days or something, and be like, what is this making money online thing? Oh, let me click that. Let me see what it is. Maybe it's interesting. Maybe that leads them to my other channel. Maybe in 3 months from then, that leads them to making a purchase, right? So it's like, it's a long-term strategy. Now let's take a look at the analytics, right? So this is my other channel. You can see I'm also very active on this channel. 2 videos in a day, 1, 2, 1, 2. And same thing with this. I could fucking crank out these videos like it's my job, and it kind of is, But it doesn't take me that long. What do? I set up a camera. I talk to the camera for like 5 minutes, I press stop. I have another idea, blah, 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 talk to the camera a little bit more, and that's it. It's really not that hard once you get used to the whole being on camera thing. And if we look at, what is this, on February 24th, which was 2 days ago, this is 36 hours of people watching my videos. 36 combined hours. How many views is that? All right, let's see. 575 views. So now obviously I don't have affiliate links in all of these because these are old and I don't want to go back and change the description because it might impact the SEO, and I just kind of want to leave this the way that they are now. But 575 views, right, in the past, well, that's just for 1 day, so that's technically, theoretically, 575, almost 600 people that are seeing this. Okay, I'm at about 538 subscribers, and I think there's something here that'll show you the last, okay, so top videos last 48 hours. Yeah, so none of these are actually any of my recent videos, but even if, let's see if we can see this. Yeah, so on mobile you can actually see your most recent videos, how many people have watched them. But it's not that much. I would say it's maybe 40, 50, 100 views per video for the past, let's say 5-ish videos that I've done in the past 48 hours, which is not a lot, but that's still 250 people that could potentially be clicking any one of those links. They might subscribe to my channel, they might subscribe to my other channel, they might watch another video that might open their mind or lead to the opening of their mind in a few months. Make sense? Okay, so that's that. Now let's talk about PyGonBot, right? So you guys know, you've seen any of my videos, PyGonBot is a contact form submitter that will allow you to contact hundreds of thousands of businesses per day. This is the same thing, but on steroids, right? When you use PyGonBot to contact, well, here, let's take a look. When you use PyGonBot to send out a blast to, let's say, 100,000 contact pages, that's 100,000 contact pages that you are exposing, that you're basically planting 100,000 seeds in the span of a day, And okay, fine, maybe not a lot of them are going to turn into leads or customers, but at least you're exposing them, right? If you have affiliate links in your offer, you're showing them, there's a chance that they might click on it and they might become a customer. Okay, so this is one campaign that I'm running right now. Once again, about 100,000 contact pages. Success rate, let's say 30, 40%, let's say, whatever. We'll round it up. So at the end of this, 40,000 new businesses are going to have essentially, this is actually an affiliate link, right? This affiliate link in their email. And they might click it, they might turn into a customer, and then I get paid. For doing what? Not a lot, right? So basically, if you want to know how to make money online in 2019, think of it like this. You're planting seeds. Okay, now this will also I'll make a video about procrastination, but this will kind of destroy your idea of procrastination, because it won't be about, oh my god, I need to think of the right idea. You literally just need to think of any idea and market the F out of it to be successful. That's the sad truth of the world we live in, but hey, that's what it is. So anyway, if you guys have any questions about my whole seed planting theory about making money online in 2019, feel free to ask me in a comment. I'm here to help. Click like, click subscribe. Peace.